The ChainMax 1000 provides intelligent design for the homeowner that wants quiet performance with superior design and conveniences that fit their busy lifestyle. The ChainMax 1000 comes with two 3-button remotes, a wall console, and a wireless keypad. Auto Seek Dual Frequency. System will automatically seek either the 315 or 390 MHz frequency produced by a remote, helping to ensure the opener will respond regardless of nearby frequency interference. GenieSense monitoring and diagnostic technology delivers the power needed at every movement of the garage door and continuously monitors the operation of the door, stopping operation when significant changes occur. GenieSense minimizes noise, wear and tear on the door, and improves overall safety. Safety. Comprehensive safety beam system meets or exceeds all state, federal and CSA regulations, and incorporates an auto-reversing system and diagnostics. Security. Genie Intellicode 2 technology, a new generation of superior encryption, prevents unauthorized persons from opening your garage door by automatically changing the access code every time you use it. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Reliable and quiet. Traditional, dependable chain drive system offers value and quiet performance with minimal maintenance needed. Number 2. Smooth operation. 140-volt DC motor operates with soft start and stops control for easier installation and smoother door travel. Number 3. Sleek and clean. Premium reinforced low-profile C-channel rail protects against dirt and debris buildup with flush mounting capability for low-headroom applications. Number 4. Safety for your family. Self-diagnostic safety beam system helps prevent accidents via an invisible infrared beam across the door opening that reverses the door if an object crosses the LED beam of light. Number 5. Accessories included. Includes two pre-programmed 3-button remotes, wireless, keyless keypad, and a multi-function wall console, control panel. Number 6. Opening speed. Up to 7.5 inches per second to provide fast performance. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.